The hell? He just passed my house up. What's this? Package is going to be delivered today. Huh? I don't know where nothing. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? So, as you just heard me talking about, we have a package coming from a company today. Now, I'm going to get to the specs on this package. I extended the work for a little bit. Remember I was saying all we have some companies coming? Well, Super Clean LLC, Super Clean came through, and they have sent us a package, and it will be arriving today via UPS. I do have to sign for it. Anyways, I got an email yesterday talking about it, and I kind of did some things, and the package weight is 14 pounds. Yes, you heard me right, 14 pounds, guys. So that is incredible. I would show you all this, but kind of got my address. Here. Yeah, Super Clean brands. 14 pounds, that is insane. Here, let's pull that up real quick. Screenshots. Boom, right here. Here, let's just do something real quick. Alright. So y'all see right there, 14 pounds. That is incredible. So, that is Super Clean. Super Clean, if you don't already know, they are awesome. They did send me these for free, so this video is awesome. They're very cool. I really like Super Clean, I'm not gonna lie to you. I've used them a couple times, guys. Oh. Alright, guys, so yes, as y'all just saw, Super Clean is sending us some stuff. Now, it is supposed to be coming in today. I can't wait to see the size of this box because 14 pounds is really interesting. 14 pounds of their cleaning supplies, each of them about this big, some of them are bigger. So it's going to be pretty cool. I can't wait to see what we got. Thank you, Super Clean, for sending it. We're going to be testing them thoroughly and seeing. The truck is in my area. So I will see y'all when this package from Super Clean arrives and we get to see what it looks like. Let's get to it. Alright, guys, so I just got an email again. Now check the map. He is going to be arriving here very soon. I just got an email saying your driver is in your area. Get ready. I checked the map. It still shows you in the same area he was an hour ago when I last recorded with y'all. So I don't know what's going on. He says he's going to get ready. So I'm going to have y'all set up somewhere. I might get the film of him dropping it off. I might not. I don't know. But I'll have y'all ready, and I'll see y'all when the package actually gets here. And don't forget, drink Arnold Palmer. My favorite. What's up, guys? Y'all on my bed. It is, just so y'all can see what time it is. $8 o'clock. Yeah, they were really late. They were running behind. They had a lot to do, but we're going to go ahead and open this. Let's see what we got. You know what? Now, we're going to get the handy dandy unboxing knife. Cut away from you. Rah. Okay. Let's just, the papers in here I don't want to cut, guys. So I'm going to cut them out. Like that. This is a vlogger sample pack from super clean. That's what the title says, so that's interesting. Vlogger sample pack. I saw Randy got a huge package. Me, not so much. Let's see what we got. Oh, so first things first. Now this had my address on it so it can be deleted. We'll cut back after a little bit. Alright, yep, we're back. Alright, so, pull some paper. Oh! Ooh, so it looks like we got a nice, super clean banner. Make sure y'all can see this. Here. Super clean. This will be hung up in the shop, guys. So, look forward to that in a future video. That's pretty cool. Alright, next we got a cap. This is the cap I requested. So, pretty cool. I knew about a shirt and a cap, and I did ask for a banner, but I never got a response. So it's cool I got the banner, so that's pretty cool. So this is the Real Tree camo hat, and I will be wearing this in future videos. Has some stuff inside this box. The floor absorbent opened, guys. So I got a gray super clean shirt. I'll be putting that in the washing machine because the gray opened, which is extremely weird, guys. Here, let's bring y'all in for a better view. Alright, so now I got a better view. This is their floor absorbent, which most of it actually opened up and went over my into this box, which is handy dandy neat, cool. What we got down here, a paper. Thank you, Super Clean, for the letter. Let's go. Awesome. So I got a bunch of stuff. I can't wait to test these, guys. I cannot wait to test these. We will be testing them more in future videos, so I cannot wait. This is like super cool. Thank you, Super Clean. Thank you, thank you. Alright, okay, now I got this. What the heck is this? So I got this as well. I don't know exactly what the world this is. Is it like a sticker or some crap? I don't know, sticker. Oh no, that's pretty neat. Okay, so this is pretty. This looks pretty damn cool. That is cool. What we got here? Tough Task Clean Degreaser, biodegradable. Sweet. This might get put to the test today. As I said, there is stuff all over these bottles, and that happens just to be because of obviously something open. So what we got here? Tough Task Degreaser, and here all wheel cleaner. Can't wait to use that. So, and here we got a foaming one. So this is pretty cool. So, let's go, wow. Alright guys, so, as y'all just saw, we unboxed it late last night. It actually got delivered at about 8 o'clock. Wasn't the normal delivery person. There was one person, he was running like 2 or 3 truck routes, so it's all alright. I'm kind of upset about that, so I didn't get to unbox it out here. So, a little windy outside. I am no mic today, so don't want to deal with the mic. But it is right here in case I do decide to put it on. I want to go ahead and thank Super Clean for sending us this stuff. Me and my dad are extremely excited. As you see, I'm wearing Diablo Motorsports merch. Diablo Motorsports, they sent this to me. If you are a YouTuber and you have merch and you would like to send it to me, you can email me at my email in my about section on my channel, or you can contact me on Instagram at ithwitt_YT or Facebook at ithwitt. That's that. If you're a company and you're watching this, you want to send us some stuff, same thing. Those are the way you can contact us. I prefer email if you're a company, or Instagram. Those are how I prefer. Also, we do have hats for sale. I'm not wearing one, of course, but we do have hats for sale. Same way as contacting me if you want to send me some. That's how you have to buy the hat, because I do not have a merch site. Well, actually, I do have a merch site, but the hats are not up on that site because I'm not selling my hats through Teespring. So, I want to thank Super Clean for sending this. Me and my dad really hope to work with Super Clean a lot more. This is only the beginning of a relationship with them. We hope to continue working with them and to use them for a while. We are very impressed by their customer service. We are impressed by them, just how they treated us. And we're just impressed with the products, and we haven't even used them yet. So, thank you, Jessica and Kim from Super Clean, for working with me. I know Kim was the person who worked with me during this whole time, and then Jessica's fixing to take over, and that's who I'm fixing to be working with. I want to thank y'all very much so for this. If you would like to get you some Super Clean products, I will link it in the description below for the foreseeable future. I will have them linked. More videos to come with Super Clean. Yes, this is not the one and only, not one and done. Hell no. I will be testing each and every one of the products, including they did send us a wheel cleaner. So the Hulk wheels are a little grimy. So maybe we'll test it out on the Hulk. Maybe we'll test it out on the Buick. Maybe we'll test it out on my truck as well. I don't know. We do have some grease stuff we are going to test. We're going to read and make sure it's all good. And we might use it in the kitchen because our stove is a little nasty. We do be making a lot of messes in our shop. Oil always drains on the dirt, and sometimes we don't feel like scraping dirt all over it, and it's sitting for days. So that oil dry we will be using on the dirt a lot. So Super Clean, if you would like to continue to send oil dry, that would be nice. Regardless, we'll probably buy some of that anyways. Don't forget, guys, y'all can go get some merch at the link in the description below. Go check that out, link in the description below. Don't forget to go check me out on Patreon, join the memberships, get awesome perks. As one of the perks for Patreon is you get member-only merch, you get a member-only videos, early access to some videos, you get member-only merch discount, member-only post. You get to communicate with me right there on Patreon, and I will respond a lot quicker and more detailed conversation with my Patreon members than I do with y'all on Instagram, because I know I respond to everybody on Instagram really, but I don't get too much in detail there. I do on Patreon. So if you want to contact me, you have to be a Patreon member. Now, if you contact me through Instagram and you're a Patreon member, I will respond to you detailedly. But you can get to me that way. If you want to get to me quicker and let me see it first. So that's one way you can get to us, guys. So don't forget to go check us out on Patreon. If you have a question for my dad, Patreon is the way to contact me, because that's the way I can get him to respond. So, but thank you, Super Clean, for sending that. I'm going to go ahead and end this video out so I can get to my computer and I can edit a video on this, which was yesterday's video for y'all. Now I can edit this video, guys. So, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check out Super Clean. Thank you, Super Clean, for sending us this. Let's go.